Hi, I'm Emma. Twitter search doesn't let you find verified accounts directly, so it's nearly impossible to find follow-worthy verified accounts on X. Today, I'll show you how to quickly discover verified profiles by topic using Circleboom, an official X enterprise developer. First, log in to your Circleboom Twitter account and head over to the left-hand menu. Click on X Account Search, then choose Deep X Account Search under the Bio and Profile section. This is where all the advanced discovery happens. Then type in your keyword. This could be a niche like crypto, fitness, or startup founders. Once you've entered it, click on the Target Your Search button to open the advanced targeting panel before running anything. After that, inside the targeting options, find and enable the Verified Accounts filter. Here, you can also choose the verification type, blue, gold, or gray, depending on the kind of accounts you want to find. You can further refine things by setting follower count or activity level. When everything is set, click the search button. Now you'll get a clean, structured list of verified accounts related to your topic, along with useful profile insights. From here, you can click Follow to connect instantly, or select accounts and add them to Twitter lists to build a well-organized, niche-specific network. Or export the list to save time on outreach, research, or building targeted contact lists. That's it. Quick, clean, and done. Happy circle booming!